Hey everyone! Today I will show you how to set alarm on iPhone. If this is your first time setting an alarm, don't worry. It's very simple and I'll walk you through everything step by step on the latest iOS version. First, look for the clock app on your iPhone. This is a default app that comes pre-installed on all iPhones. Click on it to open. Once you're in there, you'll see several options at the bottom of the screen. Simply tap on alarm, and to set a new alarm, tap on the plus icon. This will allow you to choose a time for your alarm. You can scroll through the hours and minutes to set your desired time. Make sure you select AM or PM correctly. Next, you'll see an option to repeat the alarm. If you only want it to ring once, you can leave it as it is. If you want it to repeat on certain days, tap repeat and select the specific days you want. You can choose weekdays, weekends, or even single day. After that, you can add a label to your alarm. This will help you remember what the alarm is for, like for work, school, or workout. And if you don't change it, it will just stay labeled as an alarm. You can also tap on the sound to choose a tone that will play when the alarm goes off. You can select from the default ringtone options or choose a song from your music library if you have one available. There's also a snooze option. If snooze is turned on, you'll be able to snooze the alarm when it rings. You can turn this off if you don't want the option. Once everything is set the way you want it, tap on save in the top right corner and your alarm is now successfully set. If you want to add more alarms in the future, just tap the plus icon again and repeat the same steps. And if you need to delete an alarm, simply swipe left on the alarm and tap delete. If you don't want to delete it but just want to turn it off temporarily, you can toggle the switch next to the alarm. And that is just basically how to set an alarm on iPhone. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.